Hey traders, Raghee here, and as we wrap up this week, we're going to revisit crude oil. I like to stick with certain symbols and definitely keep you updated on them as they change their structure. So let's talk about structure and how that leads to strategy. Structure always before strategy, and we're seeing a lot more yellow in the structure of this market, which means it's not bearish, it just isn't as bullish, or the quality of the uptrend isn't as good. Now, we have no red grab candles. We haven't broken the wave or even the 55 propulsions. There's no reason to think that this is a market that's broken key support and it's primed to go lower. It's not. However, we have to change the zones that we're looking at to buy. And I'll be looking at specifically the zone to buy really down into this area. In other words, when I take a look at the overall range, I'll identify what the top of the range looks like. I'll identify what the bottom of the range looks like. And in the bottom of this range is where we want to be looking for the long position. Now, if you're already long, that's fine. I think we actually did touch that bottom of the range briefly today, but it's just a reminder that don't presume that the lack of the strong uptrend is necessarily a precursor to a downtrend. When a market loses the double green and goes yellow, all that means is, the analogy is this: if you're flying down the highway, foot on the gas, and all you do is let off the gas, have you reversed and now you're going the other way? No, you're just still heading in the same direction, but you're losing some velocity. You're losing that speed, right? And that's exactly what's happening to crude in many ways. And that means that we want to be really clear on where the previous highs were and make sure that our initial targets are respecting those highs, so that if we move back up to those levels, we're not expecting new highs. We wouldn't mind seeing them, but we'll scale out in this area. So really all we're doing is changing our expectations for movement higher and lowering our zone for the buy. Hope that helps. Have a great weekend. If you have any questions about crude oil or crude oil stocks, leave them in the comments below. Smash that like button on your way out. And I'll see you on Monday right here at the Simpler Trading YouTube channel for Charts and Coffee, our live 20-minute Q&A show that runs every day, Monday through Friday, for members, non-members. Come bring your questions. Take a look at how we do things here. I'll see you in the next update. Hey traders, Raghee from Simpler Trading. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like and a comment below. And remember, subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll get notified of the next update. And when you're ready to join me for live trading, be sure to head on over to simplertrading.com. I'll see you in the next update.